welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Oluchi. If you don't already know that, that means you're new to my channel. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button, ring that notifications bell, and become a member of the Oluchi Gang family because we are growing, glowing. It is forever a movement. So today I'm showing you guys how to go from this to oh so glamorous. I'm showing you guys my winter foundation and highlight and contour routine. So if you guys want to see how I get all this glow and I stay peng all through winter, then please keep on watching. First off by moisturizing my skin because skincare is bae. If your base ain't good, honey, nothing else can be good, okay? Then I go ahead and start with my concealer. I'm using the Juvia's Place concealer in the color 12, and I'm just gonna put it all over the areas that I just showed you guys. I pointed them out to you. Essentially, it's just the places that you want light to hit your face at. And then next, I go ahead and just put like a lighter concealer just like underneath my eyes and on the bridge of my nose. Then we're going to contour. You guys, please ignore all the shaking on the camera. The camera was just moving on doing, I don't know what happened when I filmed, but the footage is still good, you know what I'm saying? Okay, and then I use my Milan Conceal and Perfect foundation to just fill out the other spots. So you guys can kind of see what I'm doing. Where I'm just putting the foundation on all the other spots, and then I'm going to start blending that out first. So I'll blend the foundation out first, then I'll blend the contour, and then I will blend my concealer. So if you're someone that like the concealer you use is like fast drying, then you probably want to blend your concealer first. But one thing that I think I like is when I blend my concealer last. That way I don't lose like my contour and all the other stuff. I don't know. I feel like when I blend my concealer first, sometimes it bleeds into my contour or the contour is too sharp, things like that. I think this method just allows for a more seamless blend. And now I'm gonna blend it all in. And essentially after this step, all I do now is just like I go back in with my contour brush. I go back in with my beauty blender and just try to achieve like what looks blended in my eyes. Look at that. Just look, we're just going back and forth until we get a somewhat seamless blend. And then setting my highlighted areas with the Laura Mercier translucent powder. Sometimes I use a brush, sometimes I use a beauty blender. The beauty blender just allows for like the powder to really absorb, and I feel like it looks more flawless. But if you're like you're on the go and it's just something quick, I don't mind using a brush as well. And then I go in with my True Complexion Contour Palette from Black Radiance. And I just love it. This is the medium to dark. And I just use that to like set all the areas that I previously like put the contour cream on. And don't forget your nose, baby. So now I use my Black Radiance Soft Focus powder, and I use that to kind of finish off my face. I love this powder, especially like once like I set my face with like setting spray, it just blends so well. And now I'm just going to put some blusher on. I love blush, you guys. I also put some blush on my nose, and then I go back in with my powder, put it all together, set my face with this e.l.f. setting spray. This is like a dewy finish, and I love a dewy finish for the winter time because it's always so dry and cold. And then I go back in and I just reset the under my eyes with my Laura Mercier powder, and this just I think helps it like stand out a little bit more. And then we highlight using the same Black Radiance palette we used for the contour. And this is just going to give like a really cute, subtle highlight. You can always go like, you know, further and add some more if you prefer. But your baby girl just likes to stay just like that. So while I was away, I did my eyebrows, I did my lashes, put my lip gloss on after my setting spray was drying. So, and you know, this is how everything is looking. Look, whoa, okay, whoa. Can you guys see that glow? It's eternal. eternal, y'all. Like it looks so good. So yeah, that's pretty much everything that I have to show you guys in today's video. I kept it short and sweet. I hope you guys liked how it turned out. Please forgive my little mascara mistakes underneath my eyes, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. God willing, stay beautiful, choose you, and God bless.